introduce my guests that are here today. We have chef and author now, chef and author, Anthony Rose. So please welcome him to the stage. Owner of, what's the countdown? Five or six restaurants? Come on, keep going right now, keep going.
Yeah.
All right. You're Anthony's hype machine there in the back. Okay, so 6 restaurants?
I have 5 restaurants and 2 appetizer stores.
There we go. 5 restaurants and 2 appetizer stores. We'll get into more about those in a moment. And then we also have here with us today country music recording artist Chris Barclay. Welcome for being here. So how did Chris draw the short straw and end up having to cook with Anthony today? It's because you are the Boots and Hearts emerging artist for this year, for 2018. And Anthony, you I believe you were behind all the wonderful food that was there.
I've cooked at Boots for the past 4 years now.
Wonderful.
I've had a great year coming up too.
So great food.
Huge country fan.
Huge country fan, Boots and Hearts. You'll be back for 2019, I'm sure, as well. So we have a wonderful partnership with Boots and Hearts here today. We've got Chris here, and Chris, you are actually going to be, after we make this amazing food, you and your band are going to be performing in Heritage Court. So we're going to cook, we're going to eat, and then we're all going to run.
Set up right there.
Yeah. So we're all going to run over and then listen to Chris and his band perform as well too.
What?
So fantastic. So thank you for being here today, Chris. You're going to cook along with Anthony?
If you let.
Okay. All right. Perfect.
We're going to do a bunch of things.
Oh, we're going to do a bunch of things. So Chef, what are we going to do today?
Hold on 1 second.
Oh, okay. While Chef does that.
Hey, how long are those sausages? Oh yeah. Okay, guys, we're doing something very important today.
Yes.
Chris, you stand right here, okay? Got it. I'm going to come down here.
All right.
He's going off script here.
He's going off script. Well, he's gone rogue.
I don't think we had much. We didn't rehearse
There's
this.
no, yeah, he's gone rogue.
Joel.
Hi, Joel.
Ashley.
Hi, Joel's my father's name. Hi. Hi, Mark. Thank you for coming. Hi. Linda. Linda's my mother's name. Marvin. Hi.
Ashley.
Hi, Ashley. Hi, Donald. This is Jasmine. Jasmine and I worked together for years.
It's Jasmine.
Hi.
Jasmine.
Wait, you stayed, but you're not cooking, you're sitting. That's funny. Hi. Hi, me? Hi. Hi, guys. Thanks for coming. Lily. Hi, Lily. Who are you?
Hi, it's Matt.
Hi, Matt. Hi. Can you guys do me a favor? Can you guys move up, like right over there? That way we're like all a little closer together. Renee, you can, there's like one more at the end as well. You're not cooking.
Everybody, come up and get close. You know, yeah, perfect. While Anthony's making his rounds.
Guys, thank you so much for having Chris and I here today. We're really excited to be here. And to be clear, I'm not a musician. Chris is a fantastic musician.
Yes.
I saw him last year at the Boots and Hearts. Have any of you guys been to Boots and Hearts yet? You have, eh? Yeah? Oh my God, you were here last night? Yeah, that was wicked. Anyways, it's so cool to be here. We're making something today, Linda, that's called bacon and eggs. I know you wanted me to make shakshuka, but we're not making shakshuka. Bacon and eggs, I like to say, is the most perfect dish that anyone ever could learn to make. And I'm gonna take a really good guess here, and I'm not gonna tell you. Sorry, I'm not gonna ask you if you've made bacon and eggs before. I'm gonna tell you you have not made bacon and eggs before. Am I right? Everyone, put up your hands. I am right. Thank you. So, to give you an overview of this whole dish, number one thing, you're going to take these potatoes over here, and I want you to put them into this pot that has like a little bit of water, the pan that has a little bit of water.
Okay.
Right? So we're just going to, and now you're going to turn that on. What are you turning that on into? Do you know? Like 4. I'm not 100%, I'm not used to these thingamajiggies. Take your potatoes, put them in here, and we're going to kind of do like a pan steam on them. Run with the water.
Chef, this water that we have up here, should we be putting some
Oh, Chris, that's right. I forgot about you.
We gotta put Chris to work here, Chef.
Yeah.
And
So,
maybe.
Chris, and then you can show everyone. So there's a pot over here. Put your potatoes in there.
Do we have water?
With the water.
With the water.
Yeah.
Water?
All the water. All the water. I'll tell you how much water do you got. There you go. That's good.
Okay.
Then all the potatoes.
All the potatoes.
So we're making breakfast for dinner, everyone, which is, I think, everybody's favorite meal, is it not?
Yeah, you know what though? Like I don't love that whole thing. I mean, like, what do you have here? You've got bacon, and sausage, and toast, and eggs, and duck fat. I mean, these are all normal things that don't worry about the way that it looks. Does everyone have their potatoes in their pot, their pan with the water?
Yes, chef.
And then the top is on there, nice and tight, and it's on number 4, correct?
Could I get a chef assistant up here? You keep doing your thing. I
Chris,
just
you know
want
what?
to say.
We just want to lay it on here.
Yeah, what do we have? What do we have
And then you're going to
heat-wise?
turn it on number 4.
Number 4.
Trevor's helping out now.
Trevor, can you open number 4, please?
What was I saying?
Where's number 4?
Yeah, you know, guys, it's interesting when I say that we're making bacon and eggs, and then they say, where are you going? Does it work? Oh, it works back there. Okay, that's fair. We're not paying me. So, yeah, you know, we're making bacon and eggs, and it does happen to be after 5 o'clock at night, right? And it is important. You can say that you're making bacon and eggs for dinner. You can say you're making breakfast for dinner, but you know, there's protein in here. There's a lot of protein in here. There's carbohydrates in here. There's lots of starches in here. It's like big, it's fatty, it's rich, and it's just delicious. You know, I'll bet you that there's like a couple ingredients here. Sorry, one ingredient. Have you ever used duck fat before? Yeah, amazing.
Is this a giant vat of duck fat, Anthony?
Well, I think we have duck fat here, and we also have butter here as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, duck fat's very important because it's fat and it's good for you, but you don't want to ever eat too much of it. So, Chris, what I want you to do now is see that other pan that you have going on there?
Yes.
That's right. I want you to put a little bit of the duck fat in there, but not too much, like a tablespoon, okay?
What do we need heat-wise?
You're gonna put it on. We're gonna put it on. Sorry, what's your name? Mark and I are gonna be working together a little. So, Mark, we're gonna put it on. Let's put it on at like 4, and then we'll see what happens.
We don't have the same settings.
The machine's different than the machine.
Make it hot. Let's try 2.
Trevor,
All right, let's put it on
what
2.
are we
You're
doing?
saying.
280?
Let's put it on 2. Trevor, you work with the Michelle and Chris because their settings are different, okay?
Turning it on?
How did you turn this one on?
It was on.
These ones are working. Yours is
Oh wow! So look, your potatoes are one of these.
Yeah, one of those.
Good. Are your potatoes like simmering over here? Oh yeah.
Is this
I don't think you can actually.
That's the duck fat, yeah.
No, let's throw that in.
Put that in here.
Let's throw that in.
Yours is working. Amazing. And look, your potatoes are getting all nice and delicious over here. What's your name again? Ella. Can you go around and make sure everyone's just like a tablespoon in there? You're not cooking. You just sit there. Okay. Pour it to it. I don't know. You're good to go. Guys, if your thing's not working, just raise your hand, okay? And Eva will come give you a hand.
Just let us know. We have a number of our culinary assistants that are in the room, and we also have Anthony.
And we also have Chris.
Where's the Chris? Chris is definitely going to be able to tell you about that.
Yeah.
I see something on the hand up there.
Yeah.
Chris, you're from Ajax, right? How far away from that are you from there right now?
Right now, it's like less than an hour.
I live
That's
there.
it.
I
That's
live
all.
there.
Second guy?
You're from Ajax as well?
I'm from Toronto, but we lived in Ajax since we moved
Right.
for 2 years. My parents, I was born in Toronto, and then they moved to Ajax, and then they moved to Whitby, and then I moved back to Toronto.
Is your husband here?
What?
Is your husband here?
Is he here?
Yeah. He's so handsome.
Hey, that's like 45 minutes away.
Yeah, 3 hours of traffic. Everyone's familiar with that.
Okay, guys, so we've got your potatoes that are boiling, and then we've got your duck fat that went into the other pan, right? So what I'd like you to do now, while your duck fat is getting in there, what was your name? Hi, Ashley. Ashley, we're going to take this sausage over here, and we're just going to put it into the pan. It's kind of sizzling, which is nice, and that yours is at 4. Can you put that down to 2? Your sausage, Chris, you're gonna put the sausage in the pan with the duck fat.
Sausage with the duck fat.
Yeah,
Okay.
here's that fork, put it down to two. Exactly, just be careful when you put it in so that the oil doesn't splash you.
Yeah, just put it in there.
Can we ready for another fan? Okay, let's go, man. Oh, careful, that's hot. I think that I'm gonna do this a couple of times.
Okay, so potatoes are going.
Potatoes are going.
Sausages are
We have one that works there.
Okay. You got your sausages in your pan. You got
With
your
the duck
potatoes
fat.
simmering over there. Paul is helping out to make sure. You guys moved over here.
Tablespoon?
A tablespoon.
In there?
And then you're going to put your two sausages in there, right?
We have one. It's a good start.
Yours is over there. We'll get you going.
Drop it
No
in.
one's over here. Right? So. Yeah, you went hot, man.
We're following along.
Yeah, you guys are doing a great job.
So chef, why do you love breakfast so much?
Well, you know what, Michelle? It's a good question. Like when I was growing up, I never had bacon and eggs. I grew up in a kosher household, and kosher in my family meant that we never had bacon and eggs at home. And as we grew up, I remember my uncle, my great uncle Herb, came to pick me up when we were going to see Chariots of Fire. Sorry, Quest for Fire. Has anyone ever seen that? Yeah. You guys remember Ray Don Chong in that movie? Amazing. She was so good. What I loved about that whole day, Michelle, Chris, how are you doing over there? Really? You're doing great. That whole day was awesome because we started at a diner. And my great uncle Herb Vanderhout picked me up in his baby blue sedan Cadillac. And we went to this diner for breakfast before we went to an early movie. And we sat around I was trying to figure out what to have for lunch, and I was going to have, I don't know, grilled cheese, and then he ordered bacon and eggs. And I'm like, what? We're not allowed to do that. You're kosher. I didn't say that out loud. The only thing I said out loud was